Good morning, everyone. It is October the 16th. It is 8 a.m. And you're probably like, girl, didn't you say you have 8 a.m.s on Mondays? Yes, I do. Am I missing my 8 a.m.? Yes, I am. Because we gotta lock in and study. Your girl has had some fun the past few days, but I've also been locking in. But you know, I need to lock in some more. So that's what we're gonna do today. I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be. I might just vlog today. I might vlog for the week. Who knows at this point? Who freaking knows? It's probably gonna be for the week. Because this is midterm season here at UCSD. So there's gonna be a lot of staring at this computer. There's gonna be a lot of, tired eyes. But we're gonna get through it. We're gonna get through it. So the first thing that I want to do is make sure that I'm planning my week, because if I don't plan my week, I will literally be jumbled throughout the whole week, and this is not the week to be jumbled, okay? So let's get some serious planning.
It's just you and I, while I take a stride through your garden.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Maybe got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is.
Now, throughout my whole high school career, I did not see the point in using a whiteboard, because if I'm not doing math or if I'm not working out like a chemistry problem, I don't see the purpose. But when it came to this studying session, girl, best believe I utilized everything that I could, every tool that I had in front of me, and I had a whiteboard marker and a whiteboard, and I got to working, babes.
House in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
It's cool, man. Got red bottles on. Life is good.
We go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. Lady on that rapid pay the bill shit. No, better shit, not even a little bit. Fuck being on some chill shit. We go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. Lady on that rapid pay the bill shit. No, better shit, not even a little bit. Oh Lord. Know your work, nigga. My actions being louder than my words, nigga. I ain't slow, I been still slow down to earth, nigga. Niggas wanna do it, we can do it on their turf, nigga. Oh Lord, I'm the rookie in the vet. Shout out to the bitches out here holding down the set. All up in my phone looking at pictures from the other night. She gon' be upset if she keep scrolling to the left, dog. She gon' see some shit that she don't wanna see. She ain't ready for it. If I ain't the greatest, then I'm headed for it. Yeah, that mean I'm way up. belly with the shits. I should probably start a hit, boy, cause I got all the hits, boy. Fuck all that drink, you gotta chill shit. I be on my little mouse drill shit. Fuck all that rap to pay your bill shit. Yeah, I'm on some rappers pay my bill shit. All up on TV, I thought it made me richer. Wasn't paying me enough, I needed something quicker. So now I'm all in Nico basement, putting working on the phones. Either that or try to money more to make a pickup. Man, it's 2008, I'm trying to paint the picture. Comeback season in the works, and now I'm thinking bigger. I got 40 in the school.
Good morning. We are back in the study room again. Yesterday I went to the beach with some friends, and then I had to take a minute for myself because I took my psych exam yesterday. Your girl was stressing, but we're just gonna hope for the best. Now I need to get caught up on my bio stuff because I ended up skipping 3 classes yesterday, and we don't gotta talk about it. We don't gotta talk about it. All we gotta do is lock in, baby. Lock in.
Peace of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lie.
Okay, I don't remember the last time I checked in with y'all, but I had my birthday on Wednesday. Thursday was kicking it, chilling, didn't have any classes, and now I'm like, you know, cramming a little bit for my bio exam. Let's cram right now. I actually went to a cafe and met up with some friends. We just sat and talked. We didn't study at all, but yeah, we will start the cramming, child. This is literally what college looks like, especially for a girl like me. So yeah, let's get it. Okay, did I once again not film an outro? Yes, but your girl was busy. So let's good. So let's ignore that, but I really hope you guys enjoyed. Literally my midterm week was my birthday weekend, midterms, me trying to figure out my life, me trying to get a job, which I did. I did. But yeah, that week was hectic. I promise that as I go on with the college vlogs, I will be a lot more organized, because I try my best, but it wasn't really given. But once again, I try my best. But I hope you guys like it. Let me know down below what other videos you want from me, and I will see you lovelies later. Remember that the Lord loves you, I love you, and you are important. And whatever dream, whatever goal you have, you can absolutely reach it when you focus your eyes on the Lord. I love you guys. I literally love you guys.
You believe your life know it's very near.